Factory, and I'm your host, Miss Marissa. It's our fourth and final day of our Easter Extravaganza holiday event, and I've got something really special planned for us today. It might get a little messy, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. Now, yesterday, sadly, we had to say goodbye to Gerald because yesterday was the last day of March, and today is the first day of April. Can you believe it? I don't know if this has ever happened before. Now, if you've seen our video from December, there's a queen bird that picks all of our special birds that come to visit us. She picks the right one for every month. So we sent word that April was coming, and she sent back that there was only one bird for the job this month. Someone who was special, regal, and whose birthday happens to also be in April. You'll never believe it. Hold your breath. It's the Queen Bird! Hello, Your Majesty. You are delighted to be here with us and all of our lovely followers? That's so great. We are honored to have you. Your birthday is in April? What day is your birthday? April 12th. That's coming up. That's so exciting. Now, we never ask a lady how old she is, so we're just going to appreciate how young and beautiful she looks. Now, Your Majesty, it's Easter coming up. Did you know? Of course you knew? Well, I know that one of my favorite things to do around Easter time is to hunt eggs. So I found a really cool way for us to decorate eggs today. Don't you think that's so exciting? It's splendid. You can't wait to see how we do it? Well, let me show you how. We're gonna need an egg cut from cardstock, nice and thick paper. We're gonna need some food coloring. I have all different colors. We're gonna need a popsicle stick. I got a tin little tray, some paper towels, and last but not least, shaving cream. Let's see how it's done.
First, spray the shaving cream all over your tray. It's not going to be a flat surface, so you're going to need to use your hands to flatten it all out. Have some fun with it. Once it's nice and smooth and flat, have an adult help you squirt some drops of food coloring into the shaving cream. You can make a pattern, you can just choose a few colors or use them all. Just a few drops will do of every color. Next, take your popsicle stick and swirl all the colors around to make an awesome pattern. Remember, our art is never wrong and is always beautiful. I really loved this part. It is so much fun. Finally, when you're confident with your design, go ahead and take your egg and place it gently on the top. Give it a few light taps and then peel up to reveal a mushy design. Take a paper towel and wipe off all the excess shaving cream to reveal a beautiful, unique Easter egg design. Don't forget to clean up afterwards.
Wow, I can't believe how well this worked. I mean, I tried it before, but these colors look spring-tastic. Let's show the queen. Look at my beautifully decorated egg, Queen Bird. You think it looks majestic, beautiful, fitting of the royal palace? Well, that is amazing. I love that all the eggs are going to look different depending on what colors you use or how you stir it. And also, all the color on there is nice and dry. You might want to let your paper sit out a little bit just so it can get a little firmer. But all in all, that egg looks amazing, unique, and perfectly you. I had an amazing time celebrating our Easter extravaganza with you this week. As you celebrate with your families, let us not forget the great sacrifice that our Lord made for us. Just remember to spend time with your family, give thanks to Lord for sending down Jesus, and just have an amazing time. Until then, see you next time.